Ibhakaniya uyabona wena mfethu. Hayi no ibhakaniya mfethu hayi no mina angikhumbuli njalo mangiza la ibhakaniya lidlini. And manje this thing ikwatisa abalandeli beChiefs yabo. Ukuthi no mina I'm good. Mina mangizela ngizosupport ubaba wami. I don't know whether you know my show called Fan Base. Yeah. I talk straight out here. Uyabona ubuze i-question important what was the man of the match. Uyabona le ntwana uMfukeng. He knows football. Knows football. That boy is very good. And this is what I always tell Umdu Shabalala ukuthi you will never be Umfukeng. Play your own football. Yeah. Umdu inkinga yakhe wants to be somebody else. And he won't be somebody else. The boy Umfukeng is too good. So mina ngiyabongela ibhakaniya ne-league out here ngiyabona i-league mfethu kumele ingabi obvious. I wish I wish ibhakaniya lithathe. Ngoba I'm sick and tired of watching i-league ithathwa iSundowns.
Shuthi uyavuma ukuthi angeke uyithathe.
If you look at i-league yethu, it's been dominating ilabantu basePitori.
Okay, Vuyo uyavuma ukuthi angeke uyithathe i-league.
No, i-league mfowethu mina ngingakhuluma ngoMay, but ke okay, let me answer him, ne? Let me answer him and be honestly, ne? Mina ngithanda ukubitha behind the bush. I-Pirates izothatha i-league ngento eyi-1. I-Chiefs angeke ithathe because of one thing. They don't have the cream that Pirates have got and the quality that Pirates have got.
So Pirates is gonna.
I'm talking football.
So
I'm talking straight.
So Pirates is gonna take the league. That's what you are saying.
The way if you carry on with this momentum, the league is gone.
So you are saying Pirates is gonna take the league.
With this momentum, you will take it, yes.
Just say yes or no. If Pirates is gonna take
the league. With this momentum, yes.
Thank you, Vuyo. Pirates is gonna take the league.
Thank you, Put.